This is one of the twins. She's the girl that survived, righty. She is number 5, and that one is Ladybug. She's number 1, firstborn. That is righty. That is Willow. Willow! Don't be mean to them. There's Big Diamond. He's number 2, secondborn. There's John Wayne. John Wayne is number 7. And who this? Oh wait, I was wrong. This one is Big Diamond. So that one was Little Diamond. Hello, Little Diamond. Where you going? Where you going, Little Diamond? Sorry, Little Diamond. I'm sorry I mixed you up. She's like, yes, you better be. She's like, you can't even tell me apart. Yes, because you're so confident right now and not shy. That's good. Come on, girl. Come on, pretty girl. He's so funny. Hello, John Wayne. He's like, somebody's getting love and I gotta come and join that. I love that. Good boy, John Wayne. Good boy, John Wayne. John Wayne's number 7.